Can I say, man, let's toast. I ain't gotta brag, ain't gotta boast. I ain't made it yet, but damn it, I'm close.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying blessed. Today is a Saturday and we are going to be doing a driving time video with the HONDATA now being installed. It has a little bit of a custom tune on there. Keep in mind, like I said in the previous video, it is not pro tuned by any means, but Gino did put some nice touches on there. Mess with the throttle mapping, the throttle response, the turbo response, the boost, everything like that. So yeah, it's definitely different than the base map, I can tell you that much. Still need to get the car dynoed and everything, but I should be running hopefully like 350, 365 horsepower is what I'm thinking to the wheels. So not positive on that. We're gonna see obviously when I do a dyno. That'll be for another video. Stay tuned for that. Hey, but if you guys could please like this video, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you always be alerted for future uploads like this. I give you guys great content, you know, and yes, I have some haters in the comment section sometimes. Yes, I have some people that aren't fond of my videos or the way I do videos. That's cool, bro. It's not your channel. Like, I'm just here to give you guys positive content. I'm here to demonstrate everything with the Honda Civic Type R, show you guys around from the engine bay to the interior to the exterior, all the modifications that are done on this project so far, what's coming up, you know. So I just appreciate that courtesy. I just don't understand this one dude. Like, he's really got a problem with me. I don't even know who he is, but he was in the comment section the other day and he was just really rude, so I had to delete his comment. But anyways, I want to stay on a positive note. But if you're a fucking hater, then get off my channel, bro. That's all I'm going to tell you straight up. You don't know me and I don't know you, but at the end of the day, I just want to make great content. So that's what we're doing today. I'm going to give you guys full content in 4K POV drive. Let's start the Type R and let's get going.
GPS connected.
So, all right, so I'm gonna back out of the garage here, and then what I'm gonna do is put the headband on, put the GoPro on, so you guys will see everything right here from the gauge and all that, you know, what's going on. I'm also gonna put the HONDATA onto the phone so you guys can see that as well, which will be really cool. I want to show you that app, show you around and everything, the gauges, the way I have it set up, the colors, etc. Right? So anyways, enough talk. Let me get out of here. Oh, I gotta put the shades on. These are driving glasses, by the way. I'm 35 years old, you know, and I got bad eyes, man. So all right, we're pulling out of the garage here. Pretty close, Jay. Pretty close. All right. Gotta get down that bump. There we go. All right. I didn't scrape. I did not scrape. Badass. All right, so just gonna get out here in the neighborhood. I wanted you guys to hear the car real quick, the way the camera's flipped around right now, just for a second. Seatbelt, safety first, right? All right, guys, so I'll be back with you in just a moment. I'm gonna pull over, switch the camera around, and then you guys will see the whole view and everything. So don't go anywhere, stay right here. I'll be right back, y'all. Much love. All right, y'all, welcome back. In the cockpit. Just gonna take off here. I'm gonna put in R+. Keep in mind with the Hondata, you can set it to where the car starts with R+ on, which is pretty cool. I enabled that feature. I just switched it to sport for a second. Now we're gonna drive. Here we go. First gear. There, y'all. That was a little nerve-wracking. Anyways, let me turn back around. It wasn't after me, but yeah. If you guys can see, it's hard to kind of see, but if you can see with the camera there, the boost pressure, the boost gauge, I have the coolant temp, it's sitting at 183 right now. IAT is around 120 to about 128 it looks like. So yeah. Thing is, you guys can see this right here, got the G-force on there as well, air-fuel ratio, yeah, battery voltage, you know, torque, and then horsepower. So that's all up there. This is the app for the Android. They also have it for iPhone, Apple, whatever, but I don't have an Apple, I have an Android. But yeah, as you guys can see, it's got really good throttle response. I went up to about, it looked like 5,800 RPMs before the cop was behind me. So let me take it on actually to the freeway here. Give you guys a full view. Doing that, for everyone who's new to the channel, welcome. Basically my modifications are as follows that lead to the Hondata, which will be PRL HVI, so high volume intake from PRL. Then I have the HKS Ligamax catback exhaust now with an RV6 front pipe that is ceramic coated. Also have from PRL the inlet pipe, which is also titanium blasted from Rampage Fab. Got the Hasport motor mount. Then I have the Hondata, obviously. What are you guys doing? Come on. You gotta let me in, dude. People in AZ, I swear, bro, they just don't know how to drive. And they go around buses and shit. Is stupid, man. Just wait. But yes, back to what I was saying. Then I have the Mishimoto oil cooler that was recently just installed. You guys can check out that video. What else do I have for engine wise? I think that's pretty much it. The Blitz strut bar, which doesn't do much, to be honest with you. It's more aesthetics. Yeah, but anyways, I have the downpipe coming up from RV6. I am not doing the flex fuel kit, at least I don't think I am. I'd rather just do it on 93 octane with a Pro Tune from Rampage. So yeah, I don't know what's going on with the traffic, y'all. I really don't. It's crazy right now. I'm trying to get onto the freeway, so. But yeah, just gonna give you guys some polls today. I'm going to show you around the engine of the mods that have been done, what I just talked about, and that would just conclude the video if I can actually get some drive time here without a cop being behind me, or man, I swear, what is going on here? You guys, let me check back with you, okay? I'm gonna check back to you. I'm gonna get out of this traffic. You guys can see hard to still see with the glare, I know, but you can see it, the boost pressure, boost whatever, coolant temperature, and IATs. But all right, y'all, that's gonna do it for this video. If you did enjoy the video, smash that like button. I apologize about the inconvenience that happened, you know, during the video, but it is what it is, man. Arizona's crazy, crazy drivers, crazy streets, they're always closed. Feel me? Freeways are always closed. And I've been here for 33 years of my life, man. So yeah. With all that being said, don't worry, there's gonna be much better, more future content on the way. You guys, I did my very best to get the gauge readings, show you guys the HONDATA app and everything. Let me see if I, since I'm stopped now, actually. Yeah, you can see it's still like glary though. Hold on, let me pull in the garage real quick. Then we'll end the video. I just want you guys to see without the glare on the damn phone. All right. Okay, now you can see, and I don't know, the, all right, right there, there's the boost gauge. And the cool thing is, let me show you guys something real quick. The cool thing is, take this glove off. All right, so holding it up here, you got your G-force meter, your torque, your battery voltage, the horsepower. Over here, still got to customize this, but your O2 voltage, air fuel ratio, target 1, target 2, all this right here, you guys. I mean, there's a lot of different customizations you can do. You know what I mean? Like, you can switch this to, what do I want to switch it to? Like fuel pressure, right? And then you just hit back, and then there's the fuel pressure right there. So that's a pretty obviously good gauge to have. But yeah, that's what that does. Flipping it back around, But yeah, that's gonna do it, you guys, for this video. You know, hope you guys did enjoy it. Sorry about all the problems with it, but at the end of the day, I still wanted to put this out. You guys saw some polls, you know. The cop thing just like really fucked me up, bro, to be honest with you. When they were behind me, there was 2 of them coming. I was just like, yo, I gotta turn off and stop the video real quick. But yeah, then there was all this traffic and stuff. So you guys, I'm gonna do one at nighttime, okay? I'm gonna make up for this video. I don't care if it does bad, good, whatever, but I'm gonna make up for it. You guys are important to me. My subscribers are important, so I want to give you guys good quality content. So I'm gonna actually run this back probably next week, and then I'm gonna do it like at nighttime, you know what I mean? Run all the polls and everything at nighttime. It's just a lot easier to see, believe it or not. I have a light on top of the GoPro too, so yeah. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Much love. I'll catch you guys next time. This is Skylyfe Projects. We out.
Team, only things we talk about, money coming in faster than it's ever been, like Cali. All we do is win, posted in the valley. Cash moves everything around me, like a money pool, you see me drowning. System in the trunk, bump bitches like the way it be sounded. Fill my cup up for the ones